2020, would you see an ice cream van?
Ice cream van. It's been a hard.
This is my budget for January. I tend to split my budget into 3 key areas. That's bills, saving and spending, and I do it in that particular order just because I like to ensure that I always have a roof over our head, and then I always ensure that I save before I spend any money, because sometimes I go a little bit wild, and then finally I spend. So I like to do it in that particular order. So the first thing is my bills. I've also got a few extras here because earlier on in the year, when I found myself in a low income, I decided to have a bill audit where I stripped back all the items that I didn't need in my budget. But now we're getting used to living off a low income. I'm able to introduce a couple of things back into the budget, and I guess I'm finding it slightly easy as well, simply because we're in lockdown at the minute. I'm not spending much money. I do believe it's important to have a little bit of self-care. I've added all my bills in, and these are bills or I need to pay to get by. I've also ensured that I've still got my contents insurance and life insurance, because despite being on a low income, I still believe that's important to have. And then I've got the dates of when the bills are due as well. Then the next section of my budget is my savings. So this is split into 2 sections. I've got sinking funds and savings. So since I found myself in a low income, I found that I have condensed my savings and sinking funds into the bare minimum, because obviously, you know, I can't afford to save for as many things as I was saving for before. I've still saved for my house deposit. It's only £5, but it's all about maintaining the habit. So I want to ensure that I keep saving small amounts so that once I'm working again, I'm able to save a much bigger amount. Emergency fund as well. I feel like it's so important, especially in this day and age. If there's anything this year has taught us, always ensure that we have some financial security. Finally, I've got my spending here. So these are just the items that I'll be spending my money on throughout the course of the month. In this current time, in this current climate with how things are, usually I was shopping out there, but I've decided for the foreseeable future, I'm just trying to stay safe and stay at home. We've got an Asda delivery due tomorrow. I'm gonna be like meal planning, creating a shopping list, but right now we're budgeting roughly around £50 a week. I do have a cheeky 5 minutes, and my daughter's drawer is an absolute mess, so I sort of want to tidy that up. Something that I'm really thankful for is that I've not spent too much money on clothes. Definitely consider buying second hand, then also try not to buy too much. Now there's that balance, because you don't want to be washing every day, but you also don't want to be too excessive where there's loads of clothes that your baby never got to wear. This is where I've sort of been putting her old clothes. Okay, so we've still got more washing to do, but so far it's looking better. So these are her full baby clothes, these are her vests, and now she doesn't have that many outfits right now because it's lockdown and we don't go anywhere. So I do dress her up in the house sometimes, but I'm not the neatest folder, to be honest. I haven't really bothered because I just know it'll get messy, but lots of clean clothes here. So I've just got another wash to do, and then I'll be able to top up her baby clothes, and I've got some drying on the landing as well. It's non-stop washing every day. Then I wanted to also show you these these bibs. These bibs are amazing. Like, they were £3.50 from Asda. I got a pack of 10 and they're absolutely brilliant. Hi guys, just signing off the vlog now. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, drop a comment below and I will speak to you soon. Bye.